Welcome to this video where we will explore Ubersuggest. This is a popular SEO tool created by Neil Patel that helps businesses, marketeers and bloggers to improve their online presence. We will discuss what it is, what it offers and how to use it effectively. Ubersuggest is all-in-one SEO and keyword research tool. It provides valuable data about keywords, website performance, backlink profiles and competitor strategies to improve search engine rankings. Marketeers use Ubersuggest because it is beginner-friendly, affordable, and offers powerful features. Whether you are working on SEO, content marketing, or competitor research, Ubersuggest provides the right data to guide your decisions. Ubersuggest offers multiple features including keyword research, domain overview, site audit, backlink analysis, content ideas, and rank tracking. These help you create better strategy and monitor your performance. The keyword research tool helps you discover keyword search volume, SEO difficulty, CPC value and related keywords. It even shows content ideas based on those keywords. Domain overview provides insights into any website's traffic, top keywords, backlinks and top performing pages. This is useful for both your own site and competitor analysis. The site audit feature scans your website for SEO issues like broken links, slow pages, missing meta tags, and mobile usability errors. It also provides an SEO score to track improvements. Backlink analysis shows who is linking to your website and to your competitors. It helps identify link building opportunities and find harmful links that should be removed. Ubersuggest suggests content ideas by showing high-performing articles related to your keywords. It includes estimated traffic, backlinks and social shares to help you create content that works. Rank tracking lets you monitor your keyword rankings over time. You can see how your SEO efforts are paying off and where adjustments are needed. Ubersuggest is affordable, beginner-friendly and offers powerful data. It helps you in improving SEO, boost website traffic and understand competitors better without requiring complex tools. Ubersuggest is all-in-one SEO tool that provides keyword research, site audits, backlink analysis, content ideas, and rank tracking. It is ideal for small businesses, bloggers, and marketeers who want to grow online. Thank you for watching. Try Ubersuggest today to discover keywords, optimize your site, and grow your online visibility faster. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.